Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're going to create a part now, but the first part of making a part is to decide where I'm going to draw it, because that's how SOLIDWORKS works. You make a 2D drawing and then you expand that into the third dimension. You make a three-dimensional thing from something 2D. You take a square, you turn it into a cube. You take a circle, you revolve it and it turns into a sphere. You take a triangle, you turn it into a pyramid. Whatever you want to do. Now, before we can do that, though, we have to draw that square, that circle, that triangle, whatever the shape was. We have to pick a plane to do that because I can't just draw willy-nilly. I have to choose a plane. Now, we find those planes on our Feature Manager design tree. See, there's a front plane, a top plane, and a right plane. Now, the great thing about this is that it doesn't really matter which one you choose. All of them can work. It's just, if you're thinking about how I'm going to build something, and as you get more experience to understand the different steps that go into that, you have to think to yourself, which of these is going to be easiest? For example, if I have this little eraser here, I don't typically try to stand it up like this. I can, but it's just not stable. I don't typically put it on its side. I can do that too. I typically put it flat. And so this would probably be the top, this might be the front, and this would probably be the right side. Okay, so if I'm drawing something, if I'm drawing it from the top plane, I might draw this shape. If I'm drawing it from the front plane, I'll probably draw this rectangle. If I'm using the right plane, I might draw that shape, and then push it out and stretch it to make it 3D. We'll learn how to make things 3D later. But for now, I'm just trying to show you how you choose those planes. So these planes are right here. Front plane, top plane, right plane. They're always there. They're always available. And if you need to, later on we'll show how to actually create different planes. So those three planes are always available to you. And then when you're ready to draw, after choosing one of the planes, you can just click on Sketch. It's under the Sketch tab, and then you click the Sketch button. I click Sketch, and it's just going to show me this straight on. This little thing appears. This is the origin. All of your measurements have to be made to the origin, at least in some way or shape or form. And you can see that if I'm looking at it, the right plane is here, but when I start clicking, it will disappear, but it doesn't really matter. It's just to show you how it's oriented. Now, I didn't have to choose that plane. I could have chosen any of them. And just as a note, if I don't choose a plane, it will make me choose one. It will show me something like this. And I can choose one of these planes. So if I want to, I can choose the front plane instead this next time. Whatever I need to do. So before I can draw, I have to choose a plane. I choose that plane based on what's going to make it easiest for me when I am creating my part. So I hope this made sense. I hope you realize that these three planes are the ones that you are defaulted, and that you have to choose one before you can draw, and that you find them under the Feature Manager design tree. Okay, I'll see you all soon. Now, next time I'll talk about some of the different ways you can draw and sketch in SOLIDWORKS. Bye.